The first Mahagathbandhan meeting which has been organized in Calcutta, all the leaders who are committed to secular democratic system has been assembled here. This is one of the mega rally for the first time after Karnataka coalition government is formed. The main task before us is how we should move forward. I have heard the speech of all the senior leaders and the present chief ministers. The time is very short. Hardly about 2 months is there. 1st March, I think the notification is going to be made by the Election Commission. Now the only issue is how all of us are going to come together. What is our policy and program, and what our future people wants, younger generation wants from us. The social media is very powerful. The media is always asking a pertinent question: who is after Modi? This type of the news is going to be spread by almost all the electronic media or the print media. It's a Herculean task for all of us. Now forget our differences. We should come together. Otherwise it's not so easy. People want a new government which is going to protect the democratic system and who should not interfere in almost all the constitutional institutions, which has been now one of the major issues. I would like to quote 3 issues in my little experience. One is the young leader who has recently shared the sheets in Uttar Pradesh. The next day, after the seats were shared, Akhilesh Yadav was on flimsy grounds. A charge sheet was filed against Akhilesh Yadav. This clearly shows how they are going to victimize the leaders of the other political parties. The other one of the major issue concern about me, using all these machineries, they are going to create a fear atmosphere. Now I appeal to all the senior leaders, come together, at least a small group of experts, to prepare our manifesto, to prepare how best we are going to govern. The people are ready to support the new government, which is going to be established by almost all the leaders who are going to be here. If you go on a right path, there should not be any differences. The regional leaders are so powerful, and if the parties at the regional level has to share the seats among themselves, it is very difficult. My bitter experience, it is not so easy for the seat sharing issue in every state. There are 2 or 3 political parties which has to fight together. It is one of the most Herculean tasks that should be decided by the leaders themselves. There is no Jayaprakash Narayan. There is no senior leaders like Acharya Kripalani. In those days, what we have experienced, I don't want to go in detail with all these things. For a short time, I was the Prime Minister of this country with the support of 13 coalition partners and outside support by Congress. What we have done, I can explain the achievements. I don't want to take more time. One of the major issues is the Narendra Modi raises a stable government is necessary to build this nation, a strong nation. But he got 282 seats in the last election. But what ultimately we are observing today, instead of building this strong nation, he wants to destroy the secular system of this nation and destroy all the constitutional created bodies. This is the major achievement what he has done in the last 4 years, 6 months. But at the same time, media still wants to put the question, who is after Modi? The people are here to answer. This is one of the meetings where Mamta ji has organized the first Mahagathbandhan meeting. It is a clear indication that the people are ready to respond. But only thing is, we have to now work out at least create a confidence among the people of this country. We are going to give good governance without any hindrance in the future coalition government. We should not give any type of suspicion in the mind of the people of this country, whether this country is going to complete 5 years by giving a stable government. Atmosphere must be cleared by all the galaxy of leaders who are sitting here. What the coalition government during short 10 months we have given. Our Farooq Abdullah is sitting here. What you have done during the 10 months, 5 times I went to Kashmir. The first visit itself, almost all the traders wants to waive their loan. The first visit, I took a decision with the cooperation of all my colleagues to waive the loan of the traders. And the second visit, let me be very frank, we have created some of the important projects. Uri Power Project and railway line projects, Udhampur and the valley, and Katra. This railway line was sanctioned for 1,400 crores. Not only that, the highway projects, one of the major decisions we have taken, even to sanction the Agricultural University in Jammu. 5 times I have visited. There is no problem for me. More than 10 years, no Prime Minister has gone there. My first visit, I took the decision to create the confidence to waive the loans. One of the major issues was the Muslim minorities were not allowed to get the job in army. If I am correct, Farooq Abdullah should made any mistake. If I have made any mistake, he should correct me. Major decision was the youth of Muslim minorities were not allowed to take job in the army. That is the atmosphere. We have removed that snag. And I can quote northeastern states what we have done. Bogi Bridge, which has been opened by the great Prime Minister, which was sanctioned during our period. We have appropriated 400 crores in the budget of that year 1997-98. I can quote many instances. The Delhi Metro, who has cleared? See, these are the issues where we have to move forward. Even the coalition government can do better than what the so-called the Bharatiya Janata Party government with 282 members. We have also provided 36 crores people of this country who are below poverty line, 10 kilo rice for 3 rupees, 5 kilo wheat for 2 rupees, 1 liter mitti ka tel for 3 rupees. I can go on, repeat what type of budget we have given for the farmers. See, 9.8% was the agricultural growth in 96-97. Economic survey report is there. It's not my report. And the achievement of the growth was 9.8%. People are saying it is one of the dream budget which a coalition government has given. But Modi ji says this coalition government was never going to complete. It will be an unstable government. They can't achieve anything. But we have to show that even the coalition government can provide a stable government and all developments concerning to the entire nation. So I only appeal to Mamta ji, you have first created an atmosphere of answering Modi Sahab. Now other leaders should sit together, a small committee should form to see that the policy document which is going to clear what the Modi is trying to use the social media and other medias, print media or electronic media, to create the doubt in the mind of the general public in the country. That atmosphere must be created. We should move together. It's a very short period of 2 months. Time is very short. I only appeal to all the leaders. Our Yashwant Sinha ji here, our another senior leader, our Chandrababu Naidu, who has taken the lead, going around the country to organize all the leaders to come together. I only appeal to them, Arun Shourie. So many other leaders are here. 3-4 people should sit together, and at the same time, these senior leaders at the national level, they should find a way out to solve the problem of seat sharing and go to the people. Amaravati is going to organize a meeting, he has promised, and our Delhi, Kesri ji, you are also said that you are going to organize. Only today, the first meeting, a mammoth meeting has been organized by Mamata Banerjee and called almost all the leaders. There is some doubt whether the Congress is going to come or not. Today, Kharge ji has all come with a message from Sonia Gandhi. This atmosphere today has been clear that almost all the leaders are going to come together to give a befitting answer to Narendra Modi ji in the coming 2019 election. With these words, I once again express my sincere thanks to Mamta ji as having organized this major rally in Calcutta and show a path to the question that is going to be always put by the media person who is after Modi. This whole the gathering is going to give a befitting reply to Narendra Modi. There is a way that is being created today in Calcutta, the mega rally by to answer Narendra Modi by Mamata Banerjee. With these words, I will express my sincere thanks, and I once again express to all the audience who have gathered here these words. Thank you very much. Jai Bharat, Jai Bangla.